What's up everybody? Welcome to a new video, and today's video is about TEXIA. Once upon a time there was a professional looking for a fabric cleaner that can combine performance, speed and safety. But every time he faced the same tough choice. Using a concentrated product that required dilution, risking errors and waste, or settling for a ready-to-use cleaner that simply didn't perform. Then came TEXIA. It is not just another ready-to-use, it is the missing link between the world of concentrates and the practically demanded by those who work every day. TEXIA was born from the need for speed and control, without any compromise. It's ready-to-use fabric cleaner that delivers immediate cleaning power with zero to low foam, ensuring a clean and manageable workflow under any condition. Anyone who works on interiors knows this. True cleaning is a matter of balance. You need strength, but also precision. You need chemistry, but above all, consistency in results. TEXIA was developed for professionals, but designed also for enthusiasts who expect technical quality and total safety. It reproduces inside of the vehicle the logic of a textile pre-treatment, acting on hidden dirt without the need of enzymes, hot water or a long washing cycle. Its strength lies in simplicity. No foam or zero foam, no weighting and no rework. The formula uses low residue ethoxylated chains calibrated for an immediate and stable effect. Fully compatible with extractors, brushes and technical microfiber towels. It works uniformly across all fabrics. At the heart of its formula lies Active Boost, an accelerator that penetrates deep within the fibers when others stop, while a small portion of cationic surfactants soften the fabric, leaving a uniform and soft finish. During development, we asked ourselves, is it possible to combine the cleaning strength of an alkaline, the depth of an acidic, or the selectivity of an alcohol all in one step? We took what in Veritas represented the concept of intelligent alcohol and integrated into TEXIA's structure using short-chain surfactants. The result is a ready-to-use with the performance spectrum of a complete system, yet with the simplicity of a single product. With Active Boost, cleaning becomes faster and deeper. And when paired with the Martina 2.0, the multi-purpose rubberized towels, its effective power increases even more. Dirt is removed instantly, drying times are reduced, and rework disappears. For those who want the ultimate performance, the TEXIA and Glico combo creates a simplified 2pH cycle combining alkaline, acid and partial alcohol action, delivering unbeatable cleaning power even without extraction systems. TEXIA is the only professional alkaline ready to use in the Labocosmetica line. It features controlled foam, no added anti-foam and total compatibility with every working method. TEXIA doesn't replace, it completes. It bridges the gap between the world of concentrates and the practicality of ready-to-use products. The ideal ally for seats that can't wait, sudden stains, or express cleaning before delivery. Because true innovation doesn't mean making things more complicated. It means what is technically simple and what's simply truly technical. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Reggie Cox. See you at the next one. Ciao!
Labocosmetica.